So here's an example, or some examples. First, here's the function f. I don't know what the formula is or anything. I just drew a graph. And it's 1 to 1. Right? These little very faint horizontal lines means, because you have to use every single horizontal line that, and so I'm just imagining sweeping up this horizontal line, and none of them intersect the graph twice. So f passes the horizontal line test, which means f is 1 to 1, and it also tells you f inverse is a function. Here's the graph of f inverse, just reflected in the line x equals y, and then that'll pass the vertical line test, because the horizontal lines for f become the vertical lines. The horizontal lines for f become the vertical lines for f inverse. And so it passes the vertical line test, which means that f inverse is a function. So I'm just showing you the equivalencies that I mentioned on the previous page for this particular function. Okay. Here's another graph, a different graph, a different f. This one fails the horizontal line test. It is a function. It passes the vertical line test, so f is a function. But it fails the horizontal line test, which means f is not 1 to 1. And that means f inverse fails the vertical line test. So if I reflect f across the line x equals y, I get f inverse, and you can see it doesn't pass the vertical line test. So f inverse is not a function. So there's all these different things related, so you have to kind of digest it a little bit until you just get comfortable with the fact that these three different things are related.